Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another update on our project in Grain Valley. We are getting ready to install our piers on this east side of the home. If you remember, we're doing this side first to see what effect it has on the interior floor. So we have 14 piers total on this project, 10 of which are outside, and then leaving 4 for the interior floor that's sinking as well. So what we're doing, that floor is sinking on this east side. So once we get this east side lifted, we'll be able to see what effect that has on the floor. That's going to determine where those piers go inside the house. So we'll get these lifted today, and then tomorrow we'll get started on getting access underneath the sunken parts of the interior floor so we can get that lifted. Monday we'll have the rest of our piers in place. We just got to do this part first, which is going to, again, just tell us where we need to get our piers. We don't want to start cutting now and lift the floor and then lift these and have that throw everything off. So we're doing the outside part first, and we'll get that done later today. So again, if you just a quick sum up on where all the piers are going, we have 4 King Pier 1s on each corner of the home. That's what you see right here. Yesterday we did our first pour of high strength concrete. That's going to be our platform that we push off of. And then the rest of the 10 piers are going to be King Pier 2s. Like you see right here, we're just 13 inches below the footing. Load bearing plate, King Pier on top, 2 hydraulic bottle jacks are going to go on both sides, and we're going to simply raise this footing until we get it back to its correct level elevation. And then lock it into place with steel shims like you see right here. We just hammer these in between the underside of the pier and the load bearing plate. And then the last step on the installation is just encasing that pier in high strength concrete. So again, we have 4 King Pier 1s. That's the big pier with 2 separate pours of concrete. All the other ones just have 1. So on those corner piers, these are more stabilizing piers on this west side of the home. But on the King Pier 1s, again, we do our first pour of high strength concrete, brings us 13 inches below the footing once it's poured, and then we use that as a platform to push off of instead of the dirt subgrade for the King Pier 2s. We just wanted to make sure that the corners were properly stabilized. Every King Pier 2 is all that's necessary for the rest of the home. So we just wanted to go extra on the corners there. And then once we do our concrete pour to encase the piers out here, these 2 sections that we had to saw cut and jackhammer out, those are going to be poured back nice and neat. So should be able to get everything finished up by middle of next week. Again, Monday we'll have the rest of our piers in place. Tomorrow we'll see what effect these piers on the east side that we lift today have on the floor inside. That'll determine where the piers are going for the floor. It'll be an easy dig for that. Since we're not having to dig, we're pretty much already at just getting underneath where the sunken parts of the floor are. So we just got to get these in place first to determine where those piers go inside. So stay tuned for more updates. You can always go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. Of course, you can always just give us a call, 816-288-4373. And for all of the pictures, videos from our current and past projects, you can find on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC, and please give us a like and subscribe if you have not already. Thank you.